be good. You guys ready? Let's break it down. Here we go. So we consider this the key of B flat, which is the 6th fret. So basically, if we think of the B flat blues scale, or really just the B flat minor pentatonic, also what's known as B flat mixolydian, which is a scale that kind of fits over a dominant 7 chord. So we're going to have, if you think of it as the pentatonic and then we just add some hammer-ons and notes around it, it's the best way to think of it, and it's, you know, the kind of bluesy approach. But we're going to be using the 7th fret on the G string quite a bit, which is called the major third of B7, which is not in the pentatonic, but it's in the mixolydian scale. Anyway, let's just get right to it. So we're going to go like this. Middle finger on the 7th fret of the G string. One more time. Okay. Then we're going to use this little box. We go like this. Then we're going to use our first finger and cover the high E and B string on the 6th fret. Like that. Check it out. But he slides in from the 5th fret. So you don't hear it slide back. You don't hear that. It's muted and then slid up. Here's what we have so far. And then it's going to go pinky on the 9th fret of the B string, then 8th, and then a 6. So if I'm covering the 6th fret on the B and the G string, I'm going to hammer on the 7th fret on the G string with my middle finger. Like that. So here's what we have so far. One more time. Then, ring finger and pinky are going to kind of rock out kind of hard on the 8th fret, A and D string, just like that. Those. Now we're going to go into what's kind of part of the major pentatonic, a little major pentatonic lick, and it's just basically this. If we have my ring finger on the 7th fret of the G string and my middle finger on the 6th fret of the B string, so I hit these two together twice, 1, 2, and then my pinky goes right there. Then where my ring finger is, I'm going to pick it and slide it a whole step down to where it ends up on the 5th fret. So it's third fret and then 5th fret on the D string. Let's see what we have so far. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go into just kind of our minor pentatonic kind of rock and roll, classic rock and roll kind of lick. I've taught it before, so it's going to go like this. We're going to cover our first finger over the 6th fret of the B and high E, and then with my ring finger and middle finger, I'm going to bend and release starting on that 8th fret, and then as I hit these like this. Check it out. Check that out. That's the best way to learn that, is to literally just get that in your head exactly how that went. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's pretty much, that was everything up to the whole, end of the lick. I'm going to show you everything we have so far. Here we go. That's it so far. So that last goes right to the 6th fret on the high E string. And it's going to go that note, then 9th on the B, 8th, and then 6th. So check it out.